It's story of a desert, which is a beautiful desert located somewhere in a beautiful place of the world. A goat which was grazing in the desert sat under a shady tree to take some rest. After taking some rest, the goat was worried about to go home. The goat, feeling restlessness because it was don't know how to go home. In the meanwhile, a herdsman also wandering here and there in search of goat. The hounds, which was very hungry, invaded the goat. The goat ran and tried to save her life. The hounds chasing the goat with its full force. In the meantime, the herdsman also reached at the spot. The pet dog fought with the hounds and saved the life of goat. The goat was very thankful to the pet dogs and they became friends and always lived together in a friendly way.